What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for yet another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. We have been here 3 times in the last week, and today again, we're here for something special. Apparently they're doing some more testing. Let's go check it out. Ticket windows are not busy, nor was security, and it doesn't look like the front entry is either, so we'll be right in. Yep, right on through, and we are on our way. And sure enough, folks, I can already see a train out on the transfer track uncovered. We're gonna get some awesome views of it today.
Pick them up at 11. Just go early and pick them up.
Put them on and go upstairs. Take them out and come back down.
Looks like we have some new paint on the archway for the entry sign. And I can also see some new paint on top of the covering here. Lots of railing is going inside the queue now also.
It's not as big of a deal as it is up there, and this is a quarter of the place. I said to Stephanie last night.
Such as breaching, spy hopping, and tail slaps. While awe-inspiring and entertaining the general public of grand populations, the habitats on which killer whales depend suffer due to changes in the earth.
Hello everyone, my name is Nick. On behalf of the Killer Whale training team, I'd like to welcome you to Orca and caring for, building
Well, the
relationships
flag is
with,
still there, so no
teaching,
full
and
course
learning
testing.
from these amazing animals.
And there's no better animal to represent the ocean's beauty than the killer whale.
And we are excited to share their story with you today.
Killer whales are the ocean's top predators.
From what I can tell, all of the ride restricted fencing is in, at least in the station area. Not sure about the back portion, but yes, right here, looking good. And over here by the exit for Wild Arctic, well, everything looks to be just about the same. We still have some of those work fences up, but the ride restricted fences do go around this area, which is good. Once again, the American flag is still on the last piece of track that they placed for the layout. So until that's gone, no full course testing. Should be very soon though. And just like in our last update, Mango Joe's closed right now. Well, it looks like we found what the holes in the ground were for, as there's poles. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm thinking this might be for netting. We'll see though.
You can swim. So don't say. Aí, vem que vem, gente. Vai, vai, vai. Sogro, vamos.
Space shot or something? Or not space shot. Swing out screen.
Sky Tower, and hooray, it's in operation today. Let's go catch a ride.
We ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. And no smoking, please. Look for our signature ride. 2 awesome enclosed tube slides that send you speeding through a lively lagoon filled with playful Commerson's dolphins. Visit the information counter. Call home. Your visit is a chance for you to play a part in protecting our planet. Each ticket, each experience helps fund.
Well guys, that is going to do it for another update here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker. And we told you in our previous update that a train may be on the transfer table very soon going back and forth. And sure enough, today it did. Of course, we should see some full course testing coming up sometime in the next week, maybe 2 weeks or so. And we'll be here for that. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.